My people watching right now, please like this video and subscribe as you are listening so that you will not miss any update. Because what is happening inside the court today is very important and Nigerians must pay attention. Nnamdi Kanu stood in court and said something that shocked everybody. He said he will not defend himself again against the federal government's charges. He said he has checked the case file very well. He has studied everything. And in his eyes, there is no valid charge that deserves any defense. Please like this video right now as I continue to explain this step by step. So imagine the whole country watching the trial for many months. Everybody thinking that the defense will now bring out witnesses, evidence, everything. But suddenly he stands there and says, no, I will not defend. That kind of statement immediately brings tension. It makes people ask questions. Why is he saying this now? What did he see in the file? Everybody, please subscribe so you can always get the latest on this case. The court was even expecting that Kanu will call many important witnesses. Governors, ministers, former security chiefs, people at the top level. Many Nigerians were waiting to hear the things those witnesses might say. Because those names that were listed, they are big names. If they talk, the whole country will hear something serious. Please like this video now because I'm about to tell you why that witness plan is suddenly not happening again. Kanu changed his mind. He told the court he does not want to call those people again because, according to him, the whole case is already not valid. He is saying, why should I defend a charge that should not even exist? Can you imagine? It is like he is turning the case upside down. But you know something? When someone refuses to defend themselves in a criminal case, it is a big risk because the court may now depend only on what the prosecution has already presented. And that can be dangerous for the person standing trial. Please subscribe to this channel because this matter is not small and we must follow it till the end. Right now, Nigerians are asking plenty questions. Some are saying Kanu wants to show that the trial is not fair. Some are saying he wants to make a powerful statement, not just to the government, but to the whole world. Others believe that he wants to force attention back to the foundation of the case, whether it was done in the right way from the beginning. This decision he made can change the whole direction of the trial. It can make the judge take a different view. It can also make the government push harder. We do not know yet what the final result will be. But one thing is clear. The tension is rising. Before I continue to tell you more about the meaning of this move, what people around Nigeria are saying, and what could happen next in the coming court dates, please like this video right now and subscribe so you will not miss when the next part drops. So, like I was saying, Nnamdi Kanu stood firm in court. He made it clear that what is happening is not just a case, but a history that will be remembered. He looked straight at the court and said he will not defend the charges. He believes these charges should not even exist in the first place. And that statement shook everybody that was there. It was like he dropped something powerful without shouting. Please like this video and subscribe if you are still following this story because more updates are coming. Now think about it carefully. If someone truly believes in their innocence and they know the world is watching, they may choose silence as a strong message. That is what Nnamdi Kanu is doing. He is saying the truth will defend itself. He is saying the government should prove everything because he knows the world already sees what is happening. His silence is now a new type of voice. And his lawyers supported him. They filed what is called a no-case submission. It means they are telling the court that federal government did not bring any strong evidence. Nothing that proves he did anything wrong. Nothing that can stand strong in front of the law. They said everything the government used against him is weak, things that cannot show he committed any crime. And because of that, the court should release him. Please tap the like button now and subscribe so that you don't miss anything important. This matter is not small at all. Even the court now needs time to look into all the arguments. The judge told them to come back on a later date so the court can decide if the case should continue or if it should end here. So right now, everybody is waiting. Supporters are waiting. Lawyers are waiting. The whole country is waiting. And the international community is also watching because the story is not just about one man. It is about rights, justice, and freedom. And you know what makes this more serious? Nnamdi Kanu said that all the hardship he has faced, the long detention, the conditions, the challenges, all of that cannot break him. Instead, it made him stronger and more focused. That type of courage makes people believe more in him. It makes his supporters feel like victory is close. Please like and subscribe right now. I am giving you real news, real updates, and you deserve to stay informed. Many people outside the court were shouting for his freedom. They said, "Let justice be done. Let Kanu go home." These are people who want peace, who want the country to move forward. They believe his freedom will bring positive change. They are tired of the long wait. Some even said they are ready to celebrate his release anytime the court finally makes that judgment. Inside the courtroom, even though the matter is serious,
Kanu looked calm, almost like someone who already knows the result, someone who has strong belief that the truth is already on his side. Please, if you have not subscribed yet, do it now. Help us grow so we can continue bringing news like this to you every day. My people watching right now, this case is far from ordinary. The judge's next decision will determine everything. If the court agrees that there is no strong evidence, then this case can end right there. They can free him. But if the court says the case should continue, then the trial goes on. So all eyes are now on the judge. Now, as people are waiting for the next court date, a lot of discussions are happening everywhere. People are asking, why is Nnamdi Kanu refusing to defend himself? Why did he boldly tell the court that he will not fight the charges?
what exactly is the secret he is keeping for the right moment? Some believe that Nnamdi Kanu wants the world to focus on the actions of the federal government, not on him. He wants everyone to see how the system is working against him. By staying silent in court, he is showing that the case lacks strength, that if there was true evidence, the prosecution should be able to prove it without him saying a word. Silence can be loud, and Kanu is using it like a powerful microphone. Please, if you are enjoying this breakdown, kindly hit the like button and subscribe right now. Another important thing happening is that his supporters are increasing. Some who were quiet before are now speaking out. They are saying, "Let Kanu speak freely. Let justice be transparent. Let the courts follow the law without pressure from anywhere." They want the world to see that this trial should not be about politics. It should be about the truth. And do you know what is making people more anxious? The next court date. That day could change everything. It could be the day that decides his future, freedom, or more waiting. The tension is high. Every moment that passes is like the ticking of a clock, leading to something big. Please remember, like and subscribe so you always get these updates quickly. We also have to talk about the human part of this story. Nnamdi Kanu has been held for a long time, months turning into years. That time cannot come back. So many things have happened in Nigeria while he has been inside. His health, his peace, his strength, all tested. But he is still standing strong. That alone is part of the story that makes people see him as a symbol of courage. His lawyers are also not backing down. They believe strongly that the law supports them. They know the Constitution protects every citizen, and they are using every legal right to push for his release. That confidence is giving hope to many who are following this case closely. My people, if you are still here right now, please press the like button and subscribe. Your support helps us continue bringing news to you. Let me tell you, the court's decision will not only affect Nnamdi Kanu, it will set an example for other cases in Nigeria. If the court says no case, it means fairness and justice still stand strong in the country. It will show that rights must be respected no matter who is involved. But if they continue with the trial, then the journey becomes longer, and many more questions will rise. Supporters are praying, leaders are watching, the whole country is waiting. The truth must shine. That is what everybody is hoping for. Now, back to the matter. Another big conversation happening around this case is trust. Many Nigerians are asking, can we really trust the justice system to be fair? Because anytime a high-profile political case comes up, people start to fear that politics will enter the courtroom. Supporters of Nnamdi Kanu are saying, let everything be open. Let the world watch. Let every decision be based on the law, not emotion or pressure. They want a situation where nobody can say the court behaved unfairly. And that is why Kanu is calm, confident, and standing firm. He believes that if justice is allowed to work properly, he will walk out as a free man. Not because of any deal, not because of fear, but because he believes the charges have no weight. He said it with his own mouth. He will not defend anything because there is nothing real to defend. Like this video right now and hit the subscribe button so you won't miss what happens next. Let us also talk about the emotions in this case. Families are involved. His mother passed away while he was in detention. That pain is deep. His loved ones, his community, they are all affected. Every court sitting is like a heartbeat for them. They hope and pray, wishing that the next news will be the good one they have been waiting for. People are also discussing peace. They want peace in Nigeria. They want a country where everyone feels safe, respected, and included. And some believe solving this case properly could help restore unity and calm in the nation. Many believe that listening, understanding, and applying fairness can heal things that violence and shouting can never fix. And please, just a quick reminder. If you are enjoying this gist and getting value from it, kindly like this video and subscribe. More updates are coming and I want you to be among the first to hear them. As we move closer to the next court hearing, everybody is watching. Politicians, activists, community leaders, and everyday citizens. What will the judges decide? Will they agree that the case lacks foundation? Or will they insist on continuing the legal battle? We will soon see. But what is clear right now is this. Nnamdi Kanu is not afraid. He is not backing down. He is not changing his statement.
And he is standing strong and saying, if you believe you have a real case, prove it. And that boldness is what has turned this case into one of the most followed legal battles in Nigeria today.